25 kVA single-phase pole-mounted transformer is designed for quick installation on overhead poles, making it a cost-effective choice for rural and low-density areas. It steps down 24,940 GRDY 14, 400V to 120-240 speed for homes and small businesses on 60 Hz networks. The unit uses aluminum windings and laminated silicon steel sheets core. It steps down 24,940 GRDY 14, 400V to 120-240 speed for homes and small businesses on 60 Hz networks, and delivers 98/87 efficiency with 85 less no load loss, 250 for W load loss, and 1.97% impedance 10. A 225 NLTC provides voltage adjustment, while an 18 kVA arrestor offers surge and lightning protection.